Let me see if you can see the screen. Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay. So. Do you remember this animal here?
Is swing?
This one is called goose.
Goose.
Okay. Do you remember this one?
Oh, this is a cat.
Okay. This is a cat, yeah. This one.
This is a horse.
Horse. Yeah, it's a horse. This one
This is a chicken.
is chicken. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Do you remember this one?
This is a sheep.
A sheep. This one.
This is a bee.
Is a bee. This one.
Dog.
This is a dog. This one.
This is a donkey.
This is a donkey. Yeah, donkey. Can you tell me this one?
This is a rooster.
It's a rooster. Okay. So let's erase this. Okay. Okay, you also know. Okay, let's mark which ones you know. So let's mark. You told me sheep, you told me horse, you told me donkey, you told me hen, you told me rooster, you told me goose, you told me duck, you told me bee, cat. Okay. This one?
This is dog.
This one?
Is goat.
It's a goat. This one?
Pig.
It's a pig. Yeah, it's a pig. This one?
Cow.
Cow. This one?
This is a rabbit.
Rabbit. This one? Oh,
This is uh this is what's that?
this is a turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey. And this one?
Camel.
A camel. Yeah, it's a camel. So let's just check. We say cow, goat, pig, camel, turkey, rabbit, and duck. Okay, that's good. So let's continue. Remember these ones? They're going just to check quickly.
Yeah.
Okay, so lion.
Lion.
Okay. Bear.
Bear.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Rhino.
Lion.
Hippo.
Hippo.
Panda.
Panda.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger.
Tiger.
wolf,
wolf,
giraffe,
giraffe,
zebra,
zebra,
parrot,
parrot,
snake,
snake,
peacock,
peacock,
monkey,
monkey,
tortoise,
tortoise,
shark.
shark.
Okay, so now you will tell me each animal. So let's start here. Can you tell me this animal?
This is a panda.
Panda, this one,
What's that?
peacock.
Peacock.
Yeah, it's a peacock. This
Mhm.
one,
This is snake.
snake. This one,
Uh, mm, this is
with the horn here,
yeah,
right?
rhino.
Rhino, yeah, rhino. Okay. Okay. This one,
Bear.
bear. This one,
Bird.
this one is called parrot.
Parrot.
Yeah, this one,
Is shark.
it's a shark. This one,
Monkey.
the monkey. This one,
People.
hippo. Yeah, this one,
Lion.
lion. Okay. Okay, this one, this one, long
Giraffe.
neck,
Giraffe.
giraffe. This one,
Wolf.
is a wolf. This one,
Zebra.
it's a zebra. This one,
Turtle.
this called tortoise. Turtle, turtle.
Okay.
This one,
This is the elephant.
it's an elephant. And this one
This tiger.
is a tiger. That's right. So we got all of these ones here.
This
And
is yeah. This is
okay, let's continue.
mm,
Okay, let's just check. Let's just check here. Kangaroo,
kangaroo.
koala,
Koala.
whale,
Whale.
dolphin,
Dolphin.
hedgehog,
Hedgehog.
boar,
Boar.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
deer,
Yes,
Deer,
deer,
fox,
hawk,
eagle,
eagle,
crocodile,
crocodile,
penguin,
penguin,
lizard,
lizard,
frog,
frog,
bat,
bat,
and gorilla.
gorilla.
Okay, perfect. So,
Mm,
we are going to, do you remember this one?
mm. Oh, what's that?
This one is called squirrel.
Squirrel.
Yeah, squirrel. This one,
Frog.
is a frog. This one,
Crocodile.
is a crocodile. This one,
Koala.
koala. Yeah. Let's see, continue. Okay. Let's see with this one.
Um, uh, Penguin.
Penguin. This one,
Rat.
is a whale. Yeah, whale. This one,
Oh, this is gorilla.
gorilla. Yeah, gorilla. Okay, let's see. This one,
Dolphin.
dolphin.
Lizard.
Lizard. This one,
Wolf. Fox.
is a fox. Yeah, fox. This one,
This is that.
no, it's called boar.
Boar.
It's a boar. Ah, remember this, Sonic?
Yeah.
Like this.
Is hot.
Hedgehog. Yeah, it's a hedgehog. Like Sonic. And then it's like, oh wait. Then he becomes like this little ball. Like this. I cannot draw. I'm really bad at drawing. Oh yeah, it's Sonic. Hedgehog. Okay. This one
Bat.
is a bat. It's a bat. This one
Deer.
is a deer. And this one,
Kangaroo.
kangaroo. Yeah, kangaroo. And this one,
Kangaroo. Eagle.
eagle. Yeah, eagle. Okay, perfect. We are going to continue with the next ones. But these ones. Okay, let's review first. The names first, okay. Mouse,
Mouse.
antelope,
Antelope,
cheetah,
giraffe,
owl,
owl,
hare,
hare,
polar bear,
polar bear,
hyena,
hyena,
ostrich,
ostrich,
seal,
yeah,
seal,
seal,
seal, yeah, octopus,
octopus,
okay, octopus, mole,
mole,
skunk, skunk,
hound, hound,
raccoon,
raccoon,
beaver. Hello? Hello, hello? Oh, hi. Interrupt. Hello?
안녕하세요 여러분, 톡투민 코리안의 선현우입니다.
안녕하세요, 여러분. 최경은입니다.
장훈님, 우리가 오늘 중요한
Hello, hello?
hello,
Can you hear me?
yeah,
Oh, okay. You're back. Okay, give me one moment, please.
yeah,
Okay. Okay, ready?
yeah,
Ready?
yeah,
Yes?
yeah,
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue with the class. So, we were doing this flamingo. Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, hi,
huh?
can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, flamingo,
flamingo,
bolter.
motor,
Okay, so let's do this. Do you know this one?
um, what's that?
This is called seal.
Seal,
Seal. This one,
flamingo,
flamingo. This one,
uh, what's that?
this one is called ostrich.
Ostrich,
Ostrich. This one,
um, um, what's that?
okay, this one is called cheetah.
Cheetah,
Yeah, cheetah. So, okay, let's continue. Okay, do you know this one?
uh, What's that?
Okay, this is called mole.
Moon.
It's a mole. This one,
This is what's that?
this is called polar bear.
Polar bear.
Okay, this one,
What's that?
okay, this one is called vulture.
Doctor.
Yeah, this one,
This is Tom.
skunk. Yeah, skunk. This one,
Octopus.
yeah, that's right. This is called octopus. And this one,
What's that?
okay, this one is called antelope.
Antelope.
Antelope, yeah. Okay. This one,
Owl.
owl, yeah, owl. This one,
Rabbit.
it's similar. It's similar. It's called hare.
Hen.
Yeah, hare. Rabbits are small, like this. Hares are like this, really big. Oh, this one.
What's that?
This one is called a beaver.
River.
Beaver. This one,
This is hyena.
hyena, yeah. This one,
Mouse.
mouse. And this one,
This is raccoon.
raccoon. Yeah, raccoon. That's right. Okay, good, 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 good. So, okay, those are. Okay, we are going to learn new ones. Here. Okay, all of these are sea, from the sea.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
can you tell me why, do you know what is this?
Turtle.
It's a turtle. Yeah, it's a turtle. So let's look for a turtle here. Here, turtle. Okay.
Turtle.
Now let's continue. Let's continue. Do you know this one?
What's that?
Okay. This one is called squid.
Squid.
Squid. Yeah, 오징어. Squid. So here, squid.
Squid.
This one do you know this one?
Red. Red.
Not exactly.
Dolphin.
No, it's bigger. It's bigger than dolphin. This is called let me see if they put like this is a whale.
Whale.
Yeah, it's a whale. Okay, this one. Do you know this one?
This is what's that?
Okay, this one is called jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish. So here, jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Okay, this one. This one.
What's that?
Okay, this one is called lobster.
Lobster.
Yeah, it's a lobster. So let's put it here. Lobster.
Lobster.
Wait. Okay, there we go. Lobster.
Lobster.
Do you know this one? This one?
This is what's this?
Oh, this one is called oyster.
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 Here, oyster. Okay. Did you know this one?
This is what's this?
Okay, this one is called shrimp.
Shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp. Okay. This one?
Octopus.
Octopus. Yeah. Okay, this one is an octopus. This one?
What's that?
Okay, this one is called stingray.
Finger.
Stingray, yeah. Okay. You know this one? This one?
Shark.
A shark. It's a shark. Shark here. Okay, do you know this one? This one.
This is what's that?
Okay, this one is called sawfish.
Dolphin.
Sawfish, yeah, sawfish. Okay, sawfish. Do you know this one?
This is what's that?
Okay, this one is called crab. Crab,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is a crab. Do you know this one?
This is something has has horse.
Seahorse, yeah, it's seahorse.
Seahorse.
Yeah, seahorse. Yeah, this one.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Okay, this one.
Ear.
It's an eel. Yeah, it's an eel. It's an eel. You know this one.
Dolphin.
It's a dolphin. Yeah, it's a dolphin. Let's look for a dolphin. The dolphin. And this one. Hello?
Hello?
This one?
Starfish.
Starfish. Yeah, starfish. Okay, good. So you learn about sea animals. So let's just review. So whale,
Whale.
dolphin,
Dolphin.
shark,
Shark.
stingray,
Finger.
lobster,
Lobster.
crab,
Crab.
eel,
Ear.
shrimp,
Shrimp.
jellyfish,
Jellyfish.
sawfish,
Puppy.
seahorse,
Seahorse.
starfish,
Puppy.
squid,
Squid.
octopus,
Octopus.
turtle,
Turtle.
oyster.
Oyster.
Okay, good, good, good. We got this, we got this. And now we're going to learn more about animals. What is that? Yeah. Okay, do you know this one?
What's that?
Okay, this one is called walrus.
Walrus.
Walrus, yeah. Is there a walrus here? Ah, yeah, here. Walrus. Okay, we have the walrus.
Walrus.
Do you know this one?
What's that?
Okay, this one. This one is called mussel.
Mussel.
Mussel here. Okay. Do you know this one?
Pelican.
It's a pelican. Yeah, pelican.
Pelican.
Pelican. And we erase this. Do you know this one?
What's that?
Okay, this one is called this one. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. This one, wait, where is it? This one is called, wait, please. This one is called hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Yeah,
Hermit
hermit
crab.
crab. Okay. Hermit crab. This one.
What's that?
I think it's a blowfish.
Blowfish.
Blowfish, yeah. It has to be. This one. Okay, this one.
This is a swordfish.
Swordfish, yeah, swordfish. Swordfish.
Swordfish.
This one.
Pelican.
What?
Flamingo.
Flamingo, yeah, flamingo. Flamingo. This one.
What's that?
Okay, this one is called seagull.
Seagull.
Yeah, it's a seagull. Seagull here. It's a seagull.
Seagull.
This one.
Fish.
Yeah, it's a fish, but which kind? Which kind? This has a name.
What's that?
Okay, this is called angel fish. Angel fish.
Angel fish.
Yeah. It's this one. Angel fish. Okay. Okay, now this one. This one.
This is swell.
Shells. Yeah, shells. Shells. This one.
Penguin.
Penguin. Yeah, it's a penguin. Okay, let's erase a little bit. This one and this one. Do you know this one?
What's that?
This one is called coral.
Oh,
Coral, yeah, coral. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we got here. This one.
This is what's that?
Ah, this one is called seal.
Here.
Yeah, seal. Okay. This one.
What fish? I don't know. Fish?
Ah, it's fish, but it's called tuna.
Tuna.
Tuna, you can eat it.
Tuna.
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 Yeah, it's really delicious. This one.
What's that?
This one is called, this one is blowfish. Blowfish?
Blowfish?
Yeah. Wait, blowfish.
Blowfish?
And this one, last one.
Clownfish?
Clownfish. Clownfish. So this is a clownfish. Okay, now you know a lot of fishes here. There's a lot of different kinds of fishes.
Yeah.
So we are going to check it out like slowly. So let's check. Okay. Seagull.
Seagull.
Pelican.
Pelican.
Seal.
Seal.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Blowfish.
Yeah.
Blowfish.
Blowfish.
Okay. Walrus.
Walrus.
Swordfish.
Swordfish.
Tuna.
Tuna.
Coral.
Coral.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Okay. Angelfish.
Angelfish.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Mussel,
Mussel.
clownfish,
Monkey.
sea urchin,
Sea urchin.
and shells.
And shell.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, now you learn a lot of new animals, so we are going to just review the ones that we learned from today. So let's review it. Let's review it really, really quickly. So we are going to do check. Okay, repeat after me. Sheep. Sheep. Cow. Goat.
Goat.
Pig.
Pig.
Horse.
Horse.
Camel.
Camel.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Hen.
Hen.
Rooster.
Rooster.
Goose.
Goose.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Duck. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Bee.
Bee.
Cat.
Cat.
Dog.
Dog.
Okay. Okay, now next one. This one. Whale.
Whale.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Shark.
Shark.
Stingray.
Stingray.
Lobster.
Lobster.
Crab.
Crab.
Eel.
Eel.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Sawfish.
Sawfish.
Seahorse.
Yeah?
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Squid.
Squid.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Turtle.
Turtle.
And oyster.
And oyster.
Okay, perfect. Okay, now the last one. The last one here. So we have seagull,
Seagull.
pelican,
Pelican.
seal,
Yeah?
seal,
Seal.
penguin,
Penguin.
blowfish,
Blowfish.
walrus, swordfish,
Swordfish.
tuna,
Tuna.
coral,
Coral.
hermit crab,
Yeah.
angelfish,
Angelfish.
flamingo,
Flamingo.
mussel,
Mussel.
clownfish,
Monkey.
sea urchin,
Sea urchin.
shells.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And okay. Okay, so now when this is for today's class, we learn a lot of animals. We learn a lot of animals, and you did really good. So now you know a lot of sea animals and normal animals. So that's really great. And we can continue studying on next Monday.
Yeah.
So have a nice weekend, have a nice week, and continue with Taekwondo. That's really good.
Hmm?
So see you Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.